This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor.
What is estate planning? Estate planning is simple words refer to the process of passing an asset's investments down from one generation to another. You decide on how much of your estate, be it property, car, personal accommodations, financial investments, etc. You want to pass on to whom and how much after your demise. It is a dynamic process that needs to be reviewed at regular intervals in order to observe any changes that might happen in your life. Need for estate planning. Dying intestate, that is without a legal will in place, can leave various complications for your family. There would be serious disputes among family members over your estate that can devastate the peace and happiness you have always sought for your family. The tragic chances of great families being in turmoil and disrupted over property distribution matters is well known. After the sudden death of the patriarch of Reliance Group Dhirubhai Ambani intestate in 2002, there were long drawn disputes between his two sons over property distribution. Had there been a legal will in place, this saga of bitter dispute between the two brothers could have been avoided. How to undertake estate planning? A. Wills. A will is legal declaration of the intention by the non making it the tester with respect to property that he/she desires to be carried into effect after his or her death. Benefits of writing a will. These are host of benefits of writing a will. Some of them are highlighted below. It provides you, the tester, a sense of understanding current financial strength, avoids disputes within the family if inflict and rational distribution of assets is done, helps you make provisions for minor children and children with special needs as per your wish. Disinheritance. Certain relatives who may be troublemakers, who can choose your executor of will, specify even funeral wishes, brings in peace of mind and happiness. Hence, a will can be said to be the cornerstone of estate planning. Registration of will. It is not mandatory to register a will. However, if you wish, your will can be registered with the register sub-register by paying a nominal registration fee. Trusts. A trust is an agreement between the settlor and the trustee to transform the legal ownership of assets, property to the trustee with the obligation that the same should be held for the benefit of the beneficiaries specified in the trust deed. Forced heirship. Forced heirship is a rule of law wherein an individual is not free to dictate who will inherit the estate on his death. It automatically confers power on certain individuals to bequeath a certain portion of the deceased estate. These individuals are known as protected heirs and typically include the surviving spouse and children. The rationale behind forced heirship is family protection. The forced heirship rule does not permit an individual to will away his estate without providing for his dependents.
Share, give a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel